Hey, what's up, guys? I have some very important info about custody accounts. If you have money in custody, listen up. I just got off the phone with Gus Haddad right here. I did a video chat, so I made sure this is who it is. And why this guy is important is he and several other people have reached out to this law firm, Togut, Siegel & Siegel, and they have acquired this law firm to basically fight for people who have funds in custody. Now, there's that whole debate between custody and earn, and I'm not going to go into the details really about it in this video, but if you've been following this bankruptcy, you know that legally they have talked about the difference between custody and earn, basically how it's written inside of the terms of service. So talking to Gus, you can see right here, very, very successful medical practitioner and actually owns Houston Fertility Institute. This guy is very successful. I asked him to do video because I wanted to make sure I was talking to the right guy. So here is our flattering pictures. I did not even tell him I was taking screenshots, but I know he would not be upset. So that is the same guy that I was talking to right here. So what he's done is he's created a Telegram chat called Celsius Custody Accounts. Now this is very time sensitive. That's why I'm making this video, and I was not prepared to make a video tonight, but I just wanted to make it specifically about this. So what this law firm needs, which you can look it up as well, Togut Law Firm, they need a $100,000 retainer, or I may not be saying that right, but basically that's how much money they need in order to fight and do a completely separate case. Again, I'm not using the right legal terms, but they are going to be doing a separate case for fighting for custody ownership to return those back to people. And looking at this law firm, I mean, they are really, really solid. So here is what I wanted to share this video. Basically, they're looking for some people to join. And if you want to join, there will be instructions here in the pinned message at the top of this Telegram group. If you click pinned message, you can actually join the lawsuit, or you can basically help out with the retainer fee. Now, in full transparency, Gus did say that if they win, it's going to affect everybody who has money in custody. But essentially, Gus said they're looking for two different levels of participation. The lowest is $1,500, and the higher level is $5,000. $5,000, you will work much closely with Gus and the actual legal team right here. And with the $1,500, it's just basically, hey, I'm going to contribute and I'm going to add my custody funds into this battle. Basically, the more funds that Togut, Siegel & Siegel have to represent, and again, I'm using the wrong legal terms here, the larger voice they have and the more funds they have, the better. They are raising money for this $100,000 retainer, and you can see the wire info is right here on the screen. It is very clean. It is basically going directly to this law firm as a retainer account. It's not like some random guys collecting people's money. I wanted to be very, very sure about that. So basically, this is the video. I want to direct you guys, if you have funds in custody, especially if you have enough to contribute $1,500 or $5,000 if you want to be a part of this team and really work for this. Time is of the essence because Celsius goes into court, we believe, on the 8th, and this law firm really wants to get things going in the next 2 to 3 days by Wednesday. So that's why I'm making this kind of impromptu video. I will include the link to the Telegram below, and there in the pinned message on the top, you will find all the information, including how to wire money. There is a PDF here going over everything, and you can reach out to Gus if you would like as well. And there is a ton of information inside of this group. And I'm also making this because a lot of people have been asking about custody because it technically is in a different category than earn, and this law firm believes that they can actually win, and they're going to fight to get custody returned back to the customers. Okay, guys, that's it. So I'll include the links to the Telegram. I'll include a link to Gus's medical website. I'll include a link to the law firm. But if you want to participate financially and be a part of this, it would be really, really beneficial. Again, they're working to get that $100,000 retainer. This law firm already agreed to work, but they have to build that retainer fee. All right, guys, that is it. Links below. Thanks for watching. Talk with you soon, and bye for now.